Good evening, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed the weekend. Want to take a quick look at oil. We've been keeping a track of this thing because we've been long it for quite some time here. We kind of got long here right towards the end of the year based on a ratio trade long, and since then, this thing has just worked very well for us. We had the first target here, second target right into these levels, and the way we traded it, or the way I traded it, and a lot of the traders here traded it, was with options. USO or the oil futures. And we have options expiration week coming this week. So you always want to be aware of options expiration week. And when you have options expiration week, a lot of times there's a lot of fluctuation and volatility within the options. So as this market as oil moves, you can see we're retesting these levels here. If we can break through here, you see I've got a couple channels drawn on really what's been happening over the last 6 months or so. And if we can get going, I do think that we could get back up to around, what is it, 86, 87 bucks over the next couple days. Now, I'm not willing to wait till the end of the week for that to happen, although I'm only holding on to a very small part of my position at this point. What I am willing to do is wait like 1 or 2 more days till basically the end of Tuesday to see if we can get up to those levels. If we can, great. If not, then I'll go flat. So what I'm doing is I'm essentially trailing my stop very aggressively below this kind of consolidation that we've had over the last couple of days. If we can break through here, I think we can get up at least up to 85 bucks or so, and then we'll see if we can make a few more bucks on those options. Okay. Follow-ups. I got some questions about that SLB trade that we've been in. That's been a remarkable beast. Congratulations to those of you who took it. This was another ratio trade that we took that was found by our ratio radar. Very nice. Got in as soon as we saw it and have been riding this out. Great trade. It's retested this high, so that's second target there. At this point, I'd be, depending on how you liquidated the first target, I'd be holding on to a third or a quarter of my position. We are statistically overbought here, so if we can break through here, look for a 127 of extension of this move, okay? And that would be, let's just measure it first and then kind of zoom back out. That would be up to 75.30. So if we can close above here, I don't think we closed above this high yet. No, we haven't. So if we can close above here, we can get there. If not, don't be surprised to see this pullback again. We are statistically overbought, and usually that's going to lead to a pullback. But that's about it. As far as S&P is concerned, real quickly, this thing has continued to be a monster. It continues to move higher. There's nothing to do right now. I don't really see any setups happening. I am weary of these areas that we're in. I do think that we are gonna see a pullback sometime this year, but we're just getting started, so who knows? Other than that, I'm staying patient, like we all do, following the rules, following the plan, and just being disciplined in our trading every single day. So, hope that helps. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we'll see you guys at the next video update.